meaning there's no collateral and you only need your bank statements to qualify for it. You're going to need 3 months worth of bank statements, and it has to be from a business bank account. May I offer a possibility, or possibly two possibilities, that are actually programs that can help you, depending on where you are in the evolution of your business. If you're to use these funds, A, to either save your business or to take advantage of an opportunity that doesn't always come around. You just need some down payment money to get a couple of the pieces. This is the perfect example of using funds like this. Again, or if you just simply need to keep the doors open. I hope these two things have been a help to you, and I'll talk to you soon.
Well, that's where we come in, alternative business capital providers. Alternative capital providers are easy for businesses to get approved. They look at your cash flow more than your credit scores.
I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now.
Zero collateral.
Grow your business.
Very excited to share with you that you can get up to $25K today. Transparent terms and industry-leading early pay discounts. Our terms and rates are very easy to understand, unlike many banks. And if you pay off your capital advance within a year, you get a significant discount on your rate. Yes, online immediate approval. It's a very simple, easy process. No hard credit inquiries. Receive funds same day or the next day. If you get in your application and get approved by noon that day, get it that same day. Otherwise, you may get it in the morning or sometime during the next day. You work with a personalized account manager. You can draw more funds as you pay. So if you pay off the first capital advance and you need more funding, we'll help you get that funding. I'll go over a couple bullet points here. How it works. On the left-hand side, these are the items you need to get approved immediately. 5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account, 6 months in business, 450 plus credit score. All industries are included. Middle section. Get funded 2 to 25K with our breezy online easy application. Link online banking, review approval terms, sign agreement online, receive funds. This all happens very quickly. On the right side, pay and draw more. Payment history earns you more. Save with early pay discounts. Receive funding again. Add-on funds available. So what happens if you need more than 25K? We got you covered there too. Just click on this button for large funding application on our website. Brings you to our mainstay, David Allen Capital website for business capital advances. You can receive up to $2 million this week. Simple and fast. Receive a decision within 1 day and capital between $10,000 and $2 million as soon as 1 to 2 business days. So it's very fast approval, very fast capital again. We represent only the top best rated providers. They actually compete to bring you back the very best rates. Use the funds as you choose. It's a non-collateral business capital. And our rates and everything is spelled out, very transparent, easy to understand, unlike many banks. So again, we're very excited to share with you our new initiative, our business funding for the smaller business. Get up to 25K today, instant approvals, and also same-day funding if you get your approval in by noon that day. Otherwise, it's the morning or sometime during the next day. Very excited, so please click the description below the video. If you're on a cell phone, it's a little harder to find, but there is a description down there. And then you'll
Small businesses denied by banks. Can't wait for slow bank approvals, payroll, inventory, opportunity. You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today, apply today, fund today. Your business can't wait. Just click the link below. We'll get you the capital you need, fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Apply now, just click the link below. Act fast. Act.